A female polar bear is trying to find food for her cubs. The sea ice on which she hunts is melting beneath her feet. She must look for food on land. They're all safely ashore, but they could still face months of hunger. Finding food is not so easy on this cold and barren coast. The search may be a long one. Polar bears have an extraordinarily sensitive sense of smell, and she has caught a faint whiff of something promising. It's the immense carcass of a bowhead whale. A whale carcass could provide more than any one family could eat, but they're not the first here to find it. By any means. Bear families seldom get on with one another. She's taking a risk bringing her cubs here. Male bears can and do kill and eat small cubs. Another family challenges her. She must decide whether to compete for food or run away and go hungry. She keeps her cubs close to her and stands her ground. Their mother's courage has won the cubs a meal.